Welcome to 5 Minute Friday, everybody, where we share our best tips and tricks to help you get just a little bit better every week. And yes, I'm wearing the same shirt and drinking the same coffee because, hint, we batch record these. Anyway, Eddie.
What?
This week, you know what I want to talk about?
You had the idea, so you tell me.
Pickleball.
No way. You haven't talked about it in 5 minutes.
Oh, I can talk about it for 5 minutes.
Okay, what, pray tell, does this have to do with anything?
I've been playing pickleball now for about a year.
No, yes.
Y'all made fun of me. I stuck with it. Got a new paddle. It's freaking awesome. Guys, love it. Double black diamond. 6-0. Love it.
Moving forward.
Anyway, I've learned some things. And the main thing that I have learned is that you perform best when you don't beat the crap out of yourself.
That's profound. Oh, emotionally beat yourself.
Emotionally beat myself up. I would browbeat myself.
Okay, it all comes
like, come on, man. Like, why can't you get your crap together? Why can't you just hit the shot? You know you can make that shot.
Yes.
What does that do? It sends you into a death spiral. It sends you into this place where you can't actually execute at a high level. I hit an unlock recently. And this unlock was, shrug it off. Be a goldfish, man. Because you know why? You actually play better pickleball when you're just grateful and you're just having a good time. I feel that this might have some parallels to life, don't you?
I do, and I have to. Masters was last weekend.
Heck yes.
As we record this now.
Yes.
Did you hear the Max Homa interview?
I did not.
Okay,
no.
That guy gives very good interviews, and there's a lot of interest around him.
He did a great job.
Yeah, great tournament.
Great tournament.
Played very well.
Yes.
But they're interviewing the guy, and I mean, almost has kind of this therapist side to him. They're asking him, like, basically, how'd you do today? And he was like, I played very grateful today.
Yeah.
And I mean, the whole answer was like, I appreciated where I was.
Yeah.
Right? Like, I actually drank up the moment, appreciated where I was.
Yeah.
And I was grateful for that thing. So yeah, it was a good day. It was a good day.
Yeah.
And I thought, wow, that is really good perspective.
It's healthy.
For a pro athlete.
It's healthy.
It's insane.
Let's flip this around. You definitely saw, and I'm not going to name any names, but you definitely saw some people who got in their head, started getting angry and frustrated when they mishit the ball. And what happened to their scores? Dude, they climbed. It just got worse and worse and worse for them.
Yeah,
number 11. Shanking the ball.
Number 11 ate some people up.
Yeah.
Always does.
Always does.
Guys, leave it right. Just leave it right.
Here's the thing,
Don't
though.
go toward the water.
Scheffler, the guy that won it, he made a crappy shot too. I think, was it on 11? Where it went into like that little tributary? It doesn't matter. But he hit it, and it goes into an out of bounds area. He had to take a drop.
Mm-hmm.
He had to get a stroke. Like this, he was in the middle of the fight right there, okay? That dropped him back 2 strokes. I think it put him tied with Colin Morikawa.
Yeah, he had pressed -9, then he's back to -7.
Sorry, guys, we're getting super technical here. The moral of the story is he had a crappy hit, bad break. But in the next hole, I think it was the next one, he hit an eagle. So he gained those 2 strokes back. What he was able to do is he was able to compartmentalize and say, this isn't the end of times. This is not something that is going to define me. This is something I'm going to say, that really sucks. And I'll move on. So again, bringing it back to pickleball, and the thing that I've learned is it's been that. So if you're in a real tough spot right now, most of the time, freaking out about it, dogging yourself out, that isn't actually going to help you play the game, whatever that is. Work, family, life in general. It's not going to help you play the game better. It's actually going to drag you down and the people around you down. The games that I lose, most of the time, are not because of my partner. It's because I'm beating myself up. And I get in my head about it and I make a mishit.
Yeah.
So,
no, you definitely will self-fulfill the prophecies in your mind.
You will.
Point of order. It was number 10. Scheffler went over the green, airmailed an 8-iron back into the bushes.
Mm-hmm.
And it was the par 5 13th that he eagled.
Okay.
So, yeah, he was kind of trudging, like he had to live in the moment a little bit of like, oh, geez, I'm back in the dogfight.
Yeah.
But a lot of the other guys were struggling too. So don't get in your own way, right? Believe in yourself, believe in what you do. don't talk yourself into the self-fulfilling prophecy. So
positive self-talk, I think, is a Zig Ziglar talks about that a lot. I think it does have some weight, and definitely bears some thought on your end. There you go. There's a 5-Minute Friday on pickleball. You're welcome. Have a great rest of your week, guys. Go build something awesome.